Ari, help your sister. Let's see. Everybody got their waffles?
Yeah.
What you got on yours?
Golden syrup and sprinkles.
And what you got?
Chocolate Spazz.
And
Golden syrup.
yum! And it's very, very cold out. The cats are all in the sink while I'm trying to sort the dishwasher out. Can I help you all? Can I help you? Where's Chinippy? Where's Chinippy? I don't know where Chinippy is. Oh, there she is. There's my tiny chap and Linda. Hello, Bobby. Oh, she's a good girl. Morning. It's 8:45. On Saturday. Ben has just come and got Fox and he's taken him to the trampoline park today. The girls are going to the Panto at the garage in Norwich. They've been, I want to say this is like their 4th or 5th year going. And they always go with my mum and Ben's mum. It's like a tradition that they do. They were planning on taking Fox this year, but this year's one wasn't suitable. We have to be over 5. So it's just the girls going with the nanas. I'm going to get my nails done as part of a Christmas present, which I'm very excited about. I can't remember if I told you, I got some Ugg boots the other day. Mum gave me some money to buy Ugg boots and they were the most uncomfortable things, so I sent them back. And then she got me another pair of Ugg boots on Vinted, which I don't like either, so I'm selling those. I'll show you them later. If anyone wants them, you can have them for the same price that I paid for them. But I bought some boots off Amazon. They came yesterday. They're not anything special, but they're waterproof and they were like 26 quid. So they like puffy, kind of really warm, fur lined, got a zip, waterproof, nice bottom so I couldn't skid over in the snow. And then I don't know if I'm going to wear this or not today. I've got my big cardi as well. I'm officially down a stone today, so woohoo, my lips are still fucking bleeding. But I need to go and start defrosting my car. Right, we've got to try and open it. Card, Jane. Oh, thank you. We've got to try and open this, Mum. Are you going to be warm enough, Mika?
Yeah.
She's got a vest on, she's got a coat.
It's so cold out there today.
Here we go. Granny Nana's made these. Oh my god, Mum, they're massive. You can have a bite of one each now. You're not having a whole one. Biscoff. Have a bite, Ari.
You have one. A bite.
They're nice. Good. What do you say?
Thank you.
Hey, it is Saturday. It is 1:55 in the PM. Just had my claws done. I feel so much better when I've got my nails done. I went to a new place, Nails by Alex, in Norwich, and they were really nice. And it was 36 for a full set of acrylics. I normally do matte black because it's Christmas. I did glossy black. The girls are now going to the pantomime with my mum and Ben's mum. Ben has got Fox at home. He was going to go into the city with him, but Foxy's got a really, really bad cough. It's developed overnight. So he's took him back to mine. I'm now going to go there, and then I think he'll probably head off because he's going to watch the football. I got myself a fucking Subway for my lunch. I'm very excited. I've not had one for ages. What do you have in your Subway? Mine is seedy bread, 6-inch, turkey, ham and cheese, toasted, lettuce, cucumber, jalapenos, and if they have it, crispy onions, but they didn't today, and then honey mustard sauce. I'm very excited, and just stabbed myself in the chin, a macadamia nut white chocolate cookie. I hate white chocolate, but white chocolate and macadamia nuts, just delicious. But yeah, it's so fucking cold today. It's like 0 degrees. I was walking around the city and I was just like, this is horrendous. I really am not enjoying this at all. So I decided to come home and I will go and collect the children and the nanas later on. But yeah, I am gonna go home, eat my sandwich, and I'll talk to you in a bit. my job this afternoon is to wash the Duplo because it was in the tub and then Gary pissed in the tub. So now I need to wash the Duplo. So yeah, that's going to be fun. This is so gross. Water. So gross. My babies are all home. How was the pantomime?
Good.
Yeah? You had the day with Daddy, didn't you? You went to the trampoline park. And we're all eating cheese scones that we got from the Christmas fete in the village. And they're watching Elf. How funny is Elf? Come on, sausage boy. We're taking some bread upstairs to bed, aren't we? Good boy. You go. Up you get. Come on. Make a bed. Hey, dyed my hair again. Put the pink back in. It's not trying to look at my Fitbit. I haven't got it on. Foxy, come on, get up, mate. Just one look at him. Get up, please, Bubs. Come on, get on the bed. What is that weird noise you're making? Ah. There you go. Have you trumped?
No.
I smell trumps.
Ari.
Oh, it was Ari, was it?
Yeah.
Got one of these like vapor rub lights to hopefully help your coughs at night, won't it? That was gross. I'm going to put him to bed and that is going to be it today just because I'm absolutely shattered.